Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to present you the future of operating systems. We made the simplicity and still the a lot of function of Windows together so we can create an easy to use operating system with a lot of features. So we just thought we're gonna take our best operating system we ever made and make it even better so that anyone can use it. So it's called Windows Vista Second Edition. And some of the people say, well, it's kind of hard to use, but we just got rid of everything on the desktop and you can't even install something not to confuse you. So we just have here the taskbar, which is not functioning, so that it can't even get confused by that. And you have the nice feature of Windows 7 that you can click here and the desktop shows right here. So we also made everything a little bigger so they can recognize it a lot easier. And that's what the consumers wanted. So yeah, let's see what new programs we have. So for the first time ever, you can drag around your start menu. It's not called anymore start, but it's called Windows menu, like a real Windows window. And that's pretty useful because you can't use it anymore. And it's completely useless, that's pretty good. So we thought, well, Internet Explorer isn't the best browser, we just got rid of it and made a new browser which is called Internet Explorer. So we're just gonna go into here and you get a nice first startup, what should I say, banner. And our crew really spent hours and hours on that wallpaper we made here. So that's really one of the good new design features. I mean, that really looks like a lot of work, huh? Alright, so we just thought, well, putting it on the top is kind of annoying. Putting it on the bottom is kind of annoying. So why not putting it to the side? So just click here and alright, we have an error message. It's not even on the whole screen so you can see it. Well, if I tell Eric you couldn't insert a letter because letter inserter.exe was not found. Well, yeah, unfortunately, everything is, program based, so you even have a program to insert letters in Word or whatever. So if letter insert is not working, we can't even insert anywhere a letter, but it doesn't matter. I'm gonna close the program here. Well, you just need to work on it, a couple of bucks to work on, but it's gonna be our new future-proof browser. So our next revolutionary program is the Inlook Express, our new mail client. Okay. Well, and if you haven't activated Windows yet, you don't need to worry about it because you need to enter every time you start up Inlook Express your product key from Windows, so you can make sure that no one gonna check your emails. Ha 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 ha. So I know the code. I'm just gonna insert it here. I have one tries remaining, and that's pretty safety, so we can check here and oops. Sorry, but the password the enter was wrong. Please repurchase Windows Vista SE. Yeah, that was kind of a mistake now. Kind of misspelled a letter, I guess, but anyway. Yeah, you need to, you know, just to repurchase and then it's good again. So you just spend, you don't lose a lot of money, you just lose about $250 to $280. That's not a lot. So, we even have two functions when we get to the main. We have shut down, of course, that's pretty obvious. And we have sleep, so you're gonna see it even uses power when you have your computer in sleep, so you're able to run whatever mail or Internet Explorer without a monitor if you want to. So you can still imagine where Windows are, you know, but with, for example, with a laptop with a closed monitor, you can still use it. I mean, it's pretty useful. So you go here and, yeah, that's our new blue screen, by the way. It's looking good, huh? Anyway, it's not even, it doesn't even need a reboot. See how stable it is. Got a blue screen, doesn't even need a reboot. So we even built in some help in the My Computer section because, again, consumer friendly. There is nothing to it. You have, you know, multiple options to do with your hard drive. So here's the C window. It's not even a picture there because a lot of people told us, yeah, what is this picture for? We don't know. So we just got rid of it. It's the easiest way to make it consumer friendly. So if you don't know what you're doing, there's always showing some friendly help. So let's say if I want to format this hard drive here, and yeah, right over here, and we get some nice help. Yeah, we get some pretty friendly help, you know. Nothing rude or so. Just some you know, help. Optical drivers are found. Why, Dad? You know, it needs optical drives. We can still look why. And here it is. I don't know why. We still need to fix that it's always going outside the screen. That's kind of dumb. Anyway, here is the help. You can resize the way you want. We need to remove the DVD burner driver because of your safety. Could easily, wow, what's that? I can't even read. You could easily burn yourself while using it. Well, yeah, yeah, that could be. Yeah, sorry, it popped up again. I don't know why. Windows remove the DVD read. You know, who needs DVD burners? You know, it's no one needs it. So these are one of the 0 new functions of Windows Vista 2nd edition. As you can see, it's pretty stable, it's pretty smooth, it has some new features, some new programs, and we're just gonna ship it for the home super basic version, which is that, by the way, for just like $250 price point. It's pretty good upgrade from Windows 7 or 8. And the ultimate user can even get a new program called Paint. And why do we call it new? Yeah, well, because it is completely new. But just to sell the ultimate version, we are not going to show it here. So yeah, it's a pretty new Paint with multiple new features, and the ultimate just costs $1,500, not more. So you're really getting a good deal. A stable operating system, multiple new features, and reliability, compatibility. And you don't even need to worry about drivers because they already are removed, as you know. We saw here. There it is. And also pretty reactive, as you can see. I clicked like 2 seconds ago and it just popped up. This is only running with 12 gigs of RAM. I mean, that's not a lot of RAM. So it doesn't, you don't need to worry about drivers because they're already completely removed, so just don't care about them. So I hope you liked our new operating system. Make sure that you are getting a backup of your data because we are not taking any care of it. So let's say your computer fails, we don't care, pay attention to it. That's not our problem. So, you know, we're still here for some, if you have some problems, you can always email us, but we're not going to respond. So that's the problem we still have because we are lazy. So, yeah, hope you will upgrade and like our new Windows Vista 2nd edition, and I'm pretty sure this is going to change the world. So yeah, have a good one.